Hi, my name is giftegwuenu and I'm a front-end engineer and a content creator. On this channel you'll find content relating to tech, career and my life as a developer. In today's video I want to share 5 ways you can make passive income as a developer. Now, to make things clear for anyone watching, all of these things that I'm sharing are either out of experience or seeing people actually do it, right? Regardless of if you're a developer or not, I think with tips that I'll be sharing, you can also apply it to your career and you will see results. If this interests you, I would like for you to subscribe, to join the family and give this video a thumbs up. Now, as developers, we usually have our 9 to 5. I mean, it's very difficult to maintain having a 9 to 5 and having another full-time job you're doing. Like, literally, you can't have 2 full-time jobs, except you want to, like, kill yourself, right? But to be honest, there are certain things that you can do and you can generate income from passively. The first thing I would like to mention here is this is not just about money, really. I'm only sharing this because I find out that a large amount of people don't know that this actually exists. So this is just me putting out knowledge that I've found from other people and other sources. Really, there is no point in hoarding this kind of knowledge, right? So this is for you if you're interested. If you're not, you can just watch the video. That is totally fine. All right, the first way you can actually make passive income in your career as a developer is through creating content. Now, creating content is kind of vague, really, because if you think about it, creating content could be anything, but there are actually different ways you can create content as a developer and actually make money from it. One of the ways is what I'm actually doing right now, so I might just actually start from that. So by creating YouTube videos. YouTube is one of the largest video platform in the world. Like, literally everybody watches YouTube, and YouTube has this thing where they pay creators. So if you have a certain number of subscribers and you have a certain number of viewership, YouTube will pay you for every views you get. But it doesn't happen like immediately, right? You have to be on YouTube for a while, like, you know, but you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours, but that is a thing for another day to explain. But really, you make money from YouTube. I know a ton of people. I'm not currently making money directly from YouTube at the moment, so if you want me to start making money from YouTube, you know what to do. You have to subscribe and you have to watch my videos. But anyway, I am looking forward to when I can actually reach that threshold. But developers make money from YouTube by creating the kind of videos that you see me creating right now, or strictly tutorial kind of videos. So YouTube is a great way to start making passive income because you're not investing so much time on it as you would with a 9 to 5. Another way you can make money out of content creation is by writing technical articles. Now, this is how I do mine, or this is what has worked for me. I started writing articles about 3 years ago, right? And I started on my personal blog. So with your personal blog, there are actually several ways you can make money from this. This is how I've made money from my personal blog. On your personal blog, you get readers, right? When you create content on your blog, you get readers, and this translates to views. If you have ads on your website, on your personal blog, when people view your website and they click on those ads, you get paid for it. There are different companies that allows you adverts to your personal blog. The one that I'm currently using is called Carbon. There is also something else called web monetization, and I also have this on my personal blog. It's another way of generating income. With web monetization, you integrate something called Curl. Curl is a way of streaming payments to your website. So I also have Curl on my blog, so I'm making money through Curl, and I'm also making money through the ads on my website. There is also another way you can make money from writing technical articles. By doing this, you can write for external publications, so publications like CSS Trick, Smashing Magazine, these publications pay you to actually write content on their blogs. So some of the ones that I've written for pay almost up to 500, some pay 200, some pay 300, and this is just for writing one technical article. So imagine if you have enough time to write like 4 articles in a month. That is like earning about 2,000 USD without like having to invest so much time on doing it. So this is another way you can make money through content creation. Now, the other way you can actually make money through content is by creating a podcast. Now, I know people do this, but I would be lying to you if I say I know how much you can make from creating a podcast, but I'm definitely sure you can also make money from podcasts, because if you look at some of the tech podcasts that we have running or that you listen to, typically you always notice that they have sponsors. So my guess is that those sponsors actually pay for it. So that's another way of generating income for your podcast. And literally, these are under content creation. I just mentioned you can make money through technical writing on your blog, creating ads, or integrating Coil on your blog, having a YouTube channel, or having a podcast. These are different ways you can make money through content creation. Now let's move on to the second way you can make money as a developer. This is a no-brainer to developers, right? You can actually create an app or build an app that generates passive income for you. A lot of us have ideas, right? But the problem is we naturally don't get to it. Like, we start a project and we don't see it to finish. But really, I'm telling you that as a developer, if you have a good idea that can generate passive income for you, this is something that you can actually build out. And you don't know, it might be the next Facebook or it might be the next Twitter. I'm just joking, but if you have an idea and you have time on your side, you can actually create an idea that will generate passive income for you. So I'm really actually thinking about something right now that could be an idea, but really I am not an idea holder. I don't have a specific one that might generate passive income for you, but yeah, creating an app is another great way to get money as extra money as a developer. Another great way of making passive income as a developer is by either creating an online course or creating an ebook. I've seen a ton of people do this. I've actually not done it yet, but I'm looking forward to doing it eventually. But I've seen a ton of people do this. They create an ebook and they sell it on platforms like Gumroad, or there are other platforms you can actually sell your courses or your books, right, online, or Amazon, right? Creating an ebook and selling it is like you investing 3 months of your time into something and you get income from it continuously, which is great. That is what passive income is. So a lot of people also invest their time in creating online courses and creating ebooks. I know that I've bought a ton of books this year created by developers that I follow on Twitter. So this is another way. So if you think you have an idea that is going to be really good for people to learn, you can either opt into creating a book or creating an online course and posting it on a platform that allows you to make the money directly. Like I said, Gumroad is one that I know about. The fourth way you can make extra money as a developer is through affiliate marketing. This is quite new to me, if I'm being honest, but I am very happy that I found out about it. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to generate income by promoting other people's products. I'll give you an example. There are a ton of different platforms that allow you buy courses, like Udemy, educative.io, and some. These are the ones that are specific to developers. Now, as a developer yourself, if you have a large following, or if you are into like creating newsletters, so if you have a large following of people on your newsletter, you can you can make money from affiliate marketing. How do you do this? By recommending a product to people using an affiliate link or ID that this product gives to you. So I registered on one called educative.io. I am an affiliate for educative.io, and in June I created a video recommending educative to people. From June all the way to today, I've made over 62 euros from affiliate marketing. That is just a great way of making money passively, because literally I made this video in June and I still make money from it even till today. There are a ton of other places that allows you have affiliate links, so I'm definitely looking out for more. So if you have an idea of where I can find more products or services that would allow me be an affiliate, please link them in the description, because I'm trying to make more money, so hook your girl up, hook me up, please. But yeah, I am currently an affiliate for Amazon as well. I signed up for Amazon affiliates, and when I recommend a product from Amazon and I use my affiliate ID, I make a certain percentage out of anybody that uses the link. So this is another great way of making money as a developer, right? You can see I literally did nothing, but I'm making money from this. This is great. Finally, the fifth way you can make money as a developer is by being a freelancer. I will not recommend this. I actually don't do this one, but I felt like making an additional take on this. So being a freelancer is another way you can make money. Now this is actually very, I don't know how to put it. Being a freelancer requires a lot of time, so I don't even think it is like making passive income, because you're going to invest about 10 hours per week on it if you're going to be working as a freelancer on top of your 9 to 5, right? But I'm just putting this out there for people to know that you can also have a freelance project you're working on that can also be giving you money while you still have your 9 to 5, right? So these are the 5 ways you can make money passively as a developer. I'm not making like a huge amount of money yet, but it gives me so much joy to know that the things that I enjoy doing, like creating content, creating YouTube videos, writing on my blog, talking to developers, can actually give me another stream of income apart from my full-time job. So I'm putting this out there for everyone. If you're interested, you can get into this as well as I did. Literally, I had no idea this is even possible. I just found out, I stumbled upon it, and I'm sharing it with you right now. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. And also, don't forget what I said earlier. If you know of any affiliate links or affiliate programs by any tech product or tech company, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I am so happy I crossed 2K last week, so continue watching my videos and subscribe, and I'll bring you this kind of content which I know you would absolutely love. Thank you. See you in my next video.